Hey, I'm in the Coto de Caza Sports Park, and check out this guy right here in our lantana. This is Stagma Mantis californica. He's known as the California Mantis. He reigns king of the predators in the insect world. He loves to devour butterflies. And this is Hylophila phyleus. He's known as the fiery skipper. He's a type of butterfly, somewhat similar to a moth. Today they're both visiting our lantana. And let's see what happens next. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ooh! Let's see that again in slow motion. Wow. Now let's just watch our beautiful mantis devour this poor little guy. It takes about 20 seconds. This is amazing. All right. All right. Good dinner. Wow. So I guess he just had his dinner, and I hope you enjoyed that show. All right. I'll see you in another video. Bye.